Hello adventurer! I'm Christy and with my fiancé Michael we are exploring this beautiful earth. This is the first episode taking you to gorgeous Kuranda by historical train exploring hippie markets and wild rainforest. Get ready for in-depth experience that will make you feel like you've been there yourself with practical information and knowledge. Let's dive in and have a ride on a famous Skyrail and learn about local life. Subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about far north Queensland and its wonders. Au revoir to everyday boring routine. Rest in peace. Today we are going to show you how living is done. From the world-class Greyberry Reef to the wild rainforest. Hello to a better life at one of the most beautiful places in the world. Yes, I am talking about tropical Cairns. The epic adventures and landscapes. Of course, it wouldn't be a guide without showing you the city and restaurants. The nightlife is also very vibrant here. We are on search for a new perfect home address. So from natural delights, we also embark on a luxury real estate Cairns has to offer. With rich landscape full of waterfalls, Asian natural parks, breathtaking skywalks and the cutest little villages. Cairns seems to be the ultimate place to satisfy our highly demanding souls. This series will reveal all you need to know before moving to Cairns. Let's get into it! We are a couple from Eastern Europe living in Australia. We have been all over the country but never been to Cairns. We booked a flight from Darwin to explore this wonderful destination. Welcome in Cairns.
Of all the destinations, we go to Cairns. Great Barrier, Queensland, Australia.
Originally we wanted to come in March. However, after floods at the start of the year we moved our trip to May to have a better weather conditions. Traveling around Australia is expensive and we wanted to make sure that we picked the best time to enjoy our stay. We are just getting the heaviest rain! Yay!
Yeah, it's absolutely ridiculous. Very disappointed. Came to Sunshine State, Queensland, Australia, Cairns, holiday destination, palm trees, beaches and cocktails and rain. It's ridiculous.
You can imagine our disappointment. However, we are not quitters and we still were keen to enjoy this holiday.
Right, so yeah, we got this car from the airport, from one of the rental cars companies. Pretty well. I booked it on booking.com and I looked for the option for the cheapest one, and there was a mystery car. So pretty much it told me it's gonna be a 5-seater and automatic transmission, and we're staying 11 days I think, and it was 480, something like that, around 480 I think. But so yeah, I didn't know what car it's gonna be, and we got it's a Volkswagen T-Roc, quite nice and comfy.
We chose our accommodation and Cairns Colonial Club Resort.
So you got 3 swimming pools, 1, 2 and 3. So you can use all of them. You just have to go to the Flamingo Cafe for pool towels. Okay. So we are here at the moment. Once you turn right at the end with the vending machine, walk until the end and then you turn left. Follow the pathway, you'll find the room 102.
The room was quite cozy. Tea and coffee was also available. With a big bed and nice bathroom, we were quite happy. Small office desk was also available. The only disappointment was a loud pub in front of our room. Hi guys, good morning. So, the weather is awful again. But we have plans today. What are we doing, baby?
We're going for a Skyrail drive ride. No, going for a train ride to Kuranda, I think it's called.
Kuranda, I think.
Kuranda. And then Skyrail back from Kuranda. That's like a day trip, half to day trip. With beautiful views.
Skyrail offers a beautiful scenic ride, however, with the clouds we weren't sure if we're gonna see anything.
It's nice around.
So, from our accommodation to the train station, it's about 15 minutes drive. We like it here already! Hills and palm trees!
Actually, weather is like in the Azores as well at the moment.
Yeah, we feel like in the Azores again. We booked our tickets in advance at the official Skyrail Rainforest Cableway website. Find the link in the description down below. We still have a little bit of time before our train is taking off, so we're gonna have some coffee. While waiting for your coffee, you can check some souvenirs in this shop.
It's not cold at all.
Interesting, this cafe doesn't take cash. We're living in a cashless society now. First, you're gonna jump on the bus to head towards the train station. Hello.
Hi, how's it going?
Yeah, good. How are you?
Good.
Thanks.
Whether you're catching the train or later on getting on the Skyrail, make sure that's nice and easy.
This bridge and the river you're looking at was completely flooded at the end of this January. See ya. The train station was very well decorated with a lot of historical items. So pretty in here. It felt like we moved back in time to year 1891, when was this railway finished after 5 years of construction with 33 kilometers of track from Cairns to Kuranda. We're gonna go for an hour and a half now in the train, see the scenic views.
Kuranda Scenic Railway. Our onboard staff are here to help make your trip as enjoyable as possible.
The railway was built by hand with over 1,500 workers, laboring in challenging conditions to lay the tracks and construct the tunnels. The railway features 15 tunnels, each one dug by hand using pickaxes and shovels. This was my favorite section of the ride, seeing the beautiful waterfalls. The railway also passes through stunning Barron Gorge, with steep cliffs and waterfalls. We are heading towards the first train stop, where we show you this magnificent natural wonder. We had to jump out real quick because we had very limited time to show you around the waterfall. We We were filming as long as we could and luckily we made it back to the train. Today, the Kuranda Historical Railway is beloved tourist attraction and a tribute to pioneers who built it. Palm trees!
This shit I love.
So next time you ride the train, remember the incredible history and construction that went into making this railway a reality. Welcome to Kuranda! We finally arrived at Kuranda and I have my good friend Tom. We know each other from Darwin and he recently moved here, so he will tell us all the secrets about this place. Take you.
Well, as you can see, Kuranda is generally like buzzing, but it's not because of the rain, which shouldn't be happening. Very late wet season. And yeah, this is a popular tourist destination. Have a local pet cassowary, which Christine is aware of, that visits the property. She's a female and it's her local area that she lives in, and yeah, so she goes through on the farm where I live, which is like got lots of fruit trees and whatever, and I'm renting a little cottage, and yeah, all good. I've been there since January and loving it, and prepared to stay here, or hoping to stay here for many years, for a fair while to come. This is just a loop around. The Kuranda is only small, so it's like only a little village.
As we arrive in Kuranda, you will be enchanted by colorful markets, art galleries and hippie shops. Explore the village and discover unique souvenirs, handmade crafts and local delicacies. Before we go shopping, we visit Portuguese restaurant for lunch. The rain just started, so it was a perfect timing to hide under the roof.
Grass-fed beef and chorizo, I think. Looks like mixed in. Let's try it. It's really nice. It's really atypical stuff that you can't get in Australia, I think, because that's Portuguese guy that's making it. I don't think you have that in Australia. It's like a croquette with meat, pretty much. Very European, I would say.
The food was amazing, and now let's go and have a look at the markets. Discover authentic Aboriginal art crafted by local indigenous artists telling stories of their culture and heritage. With over 100 stalls, Kuranda markets offer a diverse range of unique products, from handmade crafts to exquisite artwork and everything in between. It draws inspiration from the colors and textures of the rainforest, and each piece is carefully crafted to reflect the beauty of Kuranda. Mingle through the narrow walkways and discover a treasure trove of small shops and stalls, each one showcasing the owner's individuality and creativity. Don't forget to grab a coffee and the small snacks along the way. Wow, look at these! The markets are heaven for those seeking alternative therapies, spiritual guidance and holistic wellness. You will find stalls offering crystals, incense and essential oils, creating a truly immersive experience. The markets are amazing. I feel like in Asia. Nice and hippie. Well, thanks Thomas for joining us, and now we're gonna head to the Skyrail. So thank you for all the information and taking us for the restaurant.
Yeah, thanks for the tip. No.
On the way to Skyrail, we found another huge market and shop with mango wine and dragon fruit liquor. I love dragon fruit, this is incredible.
Okay, I love this shit.
Welcome to Skyrail Rainforest Cableway, a journey that will take you soaring above the treetops of the world's oldest continuously surviving rainforest. Whoa, it's actually really good to have the hole down there. Ooh, it got real fast, real quick. We paid an extra $30 for a diamond sticker that allows us to see the rainforest through the cabin floor. We're gonna have 3 stops along the way to see what this rainforest has to offer. We're jumping off the Skyrail to have a look at the waterfall and do some hiking. The first stop takes us to a journey winding through the Barron Gorge National Park. Welcome in the jungle! Wow! Take a short walk along the winding trails and immerse yourself in the sight and sounds of nature. Wow, I love the greens! As you reach the top of the waterfall, feel the cool mist on your skin and marvel at the sheer power and beauty of this natural wonder. Barron waterfall height is 260 meters. A steep cascading waterfall considering of 4 drops. The highest drop is 125 meters. It began forming over 400 million years ago under the sea. At the end of this walk is a small building where you can learn about the local area and adore some amazing rainforest artwork. If you choose a diamond cabin, be prepared to wait a longer period of time.
Enjoy, thank you!
Every tent cabin has a glass floor and it might take a short while before it arrives. Yay!
Pretty smooth.
Whoa! Bounce and bounce.
Yeah, another Jurassic Park adventure.
Hello, thank you.
Hello.
They said 10 minutes walk, but it was like 3, but very beautiful. Did this rainforest reminded you of something? Members of James Cameron's creative team visited Skyrail to view this magnificent rainforest in their search for inspiration for the film's stunning forest environments, including the home tree and floating islands. I'm scared! At the last part of Skyrail adventure, you can enjoy the view of a stunning city of Cairns. Who are the luckiest people on earth? Me! This whole adventure cost us $123 per person. I really hope that you enjoyed this episode and I'm looking forward to see you at the next one. In the next video we are going to visit Tablelands region. Stunning waterfalls and wonderful nature will not be missed. We also going to visit a local cute village and have a lunch. Drive-through farms and amazing hilly country will make you want to visit. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on the upcoming episodes. Would you take a trip to Kuranda? Let us know down in the comments. It was lovely to have you on board, and I cannot wait to see you in the next episode.